Hi everyone, I'm Mike Gray with Traveling with Mike Gray, and today I want to share a travel tip that has saved travelers hundreds of dollars over the years. Here's something a lot of people don't realize. Just because you've booked your flight doesn't mean you should stop watching the airfare. Many major airlines now allow you to change eligible tickets if the price drops after you book. Instead of losing money, you may be able to receive a travel credit or in some cases pay the lower fare. Every airline has different rules, so it's always important to check the fare conditions before you book. And here's exactly what I do. The moment I book a flight, I leave my Google Flights price alert turned on. I don't just forget about it. And if I receive an email saying the fare has dropped, I immediately log into my airline account and look for options like change flight or modified trip. If the exact same flight is now selling for less, I see whether I can rebook at the lower fare. Many times the difference comes back as a travel credit that I can use on a future trip. I've seen price drops of $50, $100, and even several $100s on a single reservation. That's money I'd much rather spend enjoying my destination. And if keeping up with airline rules or planning a European vacation sounds like more work than fun, visit Traveling with Mike Gray and let me help you. One important note, not every ticket qualifies. Basic economy fares often have restrictions. That's why I always recommend understanding the fare rules first. And this one simple habit only takes a few seconds, but it can save you a surprising amount of money over the course of a year, right? So the next time you book a flight, keep watching those fares, subscribe for more tips, and visit Traveling with Mike Gray for your next adventure. Safe travels.